So Dacia Logan Eco Mode, what it does. So pretty much you can enable and disable it from this button. You just press it once. When you see on the dashboard saying Eco, it means that it is on. If you want to disable it, just press it again once and it will disappear from the dashboard. So what exactly this mode does? First of all, when it's enabled, it will decrease the engine performance, and at the same time it will decrease the fuel consumption with around 10%. So if you use the car, you drive it around the city, you won't need a powerful engine. You can enable Eco Mode and you will reduce the fuel consumption with about 10%. In this case, this is a 1.5 liters diesel engine, which consumes around 7.5 liters at around 100 kilometers. So with 10% less, with Eco Mode enabled, it will consume around 6.7 liters. So this can be quite a deal if you just drive around the city. You will pay less for the fuel. When to disable Eco Mode? If you drive the car on a highway or a national road, you can just disable it to get the most performance from the engine. So if you drive with 70, 80, 90 kilometers per hour, it's a good idea to just disable Eco Mode in order to get to the destination faster. It won't affect the fuel consumption if it's disabled if you are on a highway. So this Eco Mode is mostly just designed for city, for driving around the city. And also one more thing, if it's very cold outside, if it's winter, it's also a good idea to disable Eco Mode because most likely you will use the heating system turned on to heat the car. So it's a good idea to turn it off. In the long run, if you just keep Eco Mode active all the time, if you just use the car around the city, it won't really affect the engine at all, because this is how the car is designed. It's not something that was added after. Eco Mode is added by default on this model, and you can just leave it on all the time. It will remember the setting, meaning if you turn it on and if you turn the engine off and you start the engine again, it will remain with Eco Mode active. Alright, so this is pretty much everything about the Eco feature on Dacia Logan. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave in the comments. If you found the video useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.